That's a nice sheep's head, hey? That's a nice sheep's head. Yes, it is. Look at that. That might be a keeper sheep head. Actually, that is. That's a nice sheep's. This is like a 5-foot hole right here. And we got nice deep running water. So it's a great spot to set up. That's a nice sheep's, hey? That is a nice sheep head. That's a 14-incher. Yes, it is. That is a nice sheep head. I'm not keeping today, though. You, my friend, we just get a nice look at you. Beautiful sheep head. I'm gonna let you go.